The Raft Planterline Installation Guide. For more detailed install information, make sure to follow the best practices on the Planterline Install Guide. Use the panel IDs to locate the correct component into the correct position. Position your panels and apply gasket tape to one of the joining edges. This is essential to stop water leakage and create a sealed join. When installing on uneven ground, packers may be required to achieve a level top return. Use a spirit level to ensure the tops and front faces of the panels are perfectly aligned. This ensures clean joins across the entire run. Secure the panels using M8 fixings. Be sure to include washers on both sides of the join for maximum stability. For planters fixed into floor structure panels, use self-tapping screws to secure the panels in place. Attach gripple wire at a 45-degree angle for additional tensioning when required. Fix the gripple wire into the floor structure panels with self-tapping screws. This holds the planter walls in place to stop any warping or bulging once filled.